and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video, guys, I'm going to share you my unboxing video. So it's been a while na hindi ako nakapag-vlog because I'm busy at work. But now I'm going to share you my unboxing videos. Ito yung gift ni Jack sa akin from Christmas gift. Na delayed siya kasi yung delivery, so delayed. For now, I'm going to unbox this. I don't know what's inside. Na-excite ako kung ano yun, so we'll see. I'm gonna unbox now. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. My dream to have an espresso machine. Oh my gosh. It says I give them something to talk about, and it's a limited edition machine. I'm super excited, guys. Na-miss ko kayo mga people, especially to all my subscribers. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog, but I'll try to vlog again. Here we go. We have another kitchen chorba.
What the heck do you have?
I got an espresso.
Holy shit.
Oh my god, thank you.
You're welcome, my love.
So this is my favorite of the part of the machine. It's called NESPRESSO Arzeno 3.
And what is it?
A milk fruther. At least. Oh my god!
Oh, that's pretty cool.
So pretty. It's like a makeup. Oh. It's like a makeup pad.
Oh my god. These things, they know who these products are designed for, I guess, huh?
Yeah. Oh, the color brown. Oh my god, guys. This is decaf. I know. What's this one's?
Red is?
The red is, yeah. Decaffeinate, huh? This is the latest brand of, model of the Nespresso, guys. But I really love the original, but we're gonna try this one. Here we go. I'm so excited. Well, here we go. This is the machine. Yeah. Woo!
Oh, she broke it.
I can't wait to try this out, especially my milk fruiter. So, discovered an espresso limited edition machine. Ooh, thank you, Buwang! So I'm gonna try this out. We're gonna try to set up this machine, guys. Location. So we're gonna put this one, and I'll show you guys how to operate and what coffee it looks like. What coffee it looks like. Is it the right English thing?
I don't know even what you're talking about.
I'm going to show you guys how to make a coffee from this machine later on.
Yeah.
And we'll see how it looks like. That's what I'm trying to say. So guys, I have another gift from Jack, and this is a separate package. Just the pads, the Nespresso pads with 3 different flavors. This is the strongest one, and oh no, this is the strongest one. This is the not mild, but like strong, strong, and mild. So this is my favorite one. The Melosia is a mild color gold. So anyway, so I put water in this water tank. Okay, guys. Now we need to open this. Okay.
What do they call that one?
Oh,
Melozio?
Melozio. So, okay, you're gonna put the pads in here, guys, and close it up. Lock it out. And press the turn on button on the top.
Does it know what was in there? Or do you have to like set it to do a cup of coffee or do more or
Yeah,
less?
if you want to last, you can turn it off, and it's automatic. How much coffee do you want?
Really?
Because the other machines that I experienced with, there is like a
Buttons?
choices, like a button on how long you have short or long
Right.
coffee. So here's your coffee, my love.
Holy crap.
Here you go.
Look at this. Mmm. Smells delicious.
Oh, let's try the pure milk first, because sometimes the fruiter will never.
Pretty good.
It's not gonna fruit. So I drink oat milk.
You can't froth oat milk.
Yeah, you can't. So I'll try to use this regular milk. So I'm super happy, guys, because I love Nespresso coffee and it really tastes good, especially the milk with the milk fruiter. So the milk is fruiting now. Fruiting. So it's done. So look at that. I don't know if you can see that. So this is the machine, and this is the water tank. The coffee pads that it's already done is here. You're just gonna empty this. Look at that. So this is the latest version and limited edition coffee machine. Wow, look at this. It's super fruity. Fruiter. Yeah.
Holy shit. Dude, put some of that on mine.
So it's like an espresso. Oh, it's a cappuccino. Oh my god. It's really good.
The frother makes it nice.
I told you. I know you hate creamer, but like...
Honestly, the coffee tastes the same as the instant coffee, but the frother's
Really?
good, yeah.
From this one?
Yeah, it tastes exactly the same as my instant coffee.
No, it's not.
Yeah. You can edit that out if you want. It tastes so much better than my instant coffee. It was totally worth the $200.
So guys, so now I'm done showing you my coffee machine, which is the Jack's gift from Christmas Day. So it's really amazing coffee machine. So the sun is out. So yeah, I'll show you. This is it. I'm so happy. Finally, I got an espresso coffee machine. Thank you, my love.
Oh, you're welcome, boy.
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
and I'll see you in my next vlog. Hopefully soon I can make another one. So thank you and keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Rona Campana, and also Jack's channel. What's your
On the
channel?
docks.
On the docks. So I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye.